On it. Head to the lobby.
All right, I'll see you there.
Evidence secure. We're en route to Dr. List. No? No hitches at all, Mr. Secretary. Captain, I thought you were coordinating search and rescue.
Change of plans.
Hey, Cap.
Rumlow? I just got a call from the secretary. I'm gonna be running point on the scepter.
Sir? I don't understand.
We got word there may be an attempt to steal it.
Sorry, Cap. I can't give you the scepter.
I'm gonna have to call the director.
That's okay. Trust me.
Hail Hydra.